To add PayPal to an Authenticator app, start by visiting the PayPal website and signing into your account with your login details. Once logged in, access the Settings section by tapping the gear icon at the top of the home page. Then select the Security option from the top bar. On the new page, scroll down and tap the Setup option beside the two-step verification option. Choose the Use an Authenticator app option from the listed choices. You will then have the option to either scan a displayed code or manually enter a digital code provided by PayPal into your Authenticator app. Select your preferred method and launch the Authenticator app. Within the app, scan the QR code or enter the 16-digit code provided by PayPal. The Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code, which you should copy and then paste into the authentication code box in your PayPal account. Finally, tap the Confirm option to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully add PayPal to your Authenticator app.